Vanakkam, Vandanam, Suswagatam, Namaste, Namoshkar, and welcome to Celebrations with Charan.
When every moment is a celebration.
Namaste, Adya.
Namaste, Amma.
Alright, do you know which month we are in now?
Margari.
Margari, yes. When we say Margari, there is one prominent person who comes to our mind. Who is it?
Andal.
Andal, yes. Have you heard of the name Andal before, Adya?
Yes, Krishna's favorite doll is Andal.
Krishna's favorite dal is Andal. Yes, we did mention this joke in one of our first videos, Krishna. If you have missed that video, click on the card above. Alright, so Adya, do you know, can you name one of the iconic contributions by Andal? It is Thiru?
Pavai.
Yes. So, we are going to learn the story of Andal today.
Yay!
Yes. So, Adya, shall we start the story?
Yes!
Yes. So, in Tamil Nadu, near Madurai in Srivilliputur, there lived a person called Vishnu Chittar. What is his name?
Vishnu Chittar.
Yeah, he was called Vishnu Chittar because in his mind he always constantly thought about Lord Vishnu. So even while sleeping, while eating, while running, while cooking, while jumping, while making garlands, he always thought of Lord Vishnu. And since he was always in his chit, so he was called as Vishnu Chittar. So, खाते भी राम कहो, पीते भी राम कहो, सोते भी राम कहो, राम राम राम, बोलो राम 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 राम.
Amma, Vishnu Chittar was also called as Periyarvar.
Yes, Vishnu Chittar was also called as Periyarvar. Why was he called as Periyarvar? See, whenever we pray to the Lord, we seek for the benefit, for the welfare of our children, our kith and kin, or our friends. But Vishnu Chittar was the only person who sought for the welfare of the Lord himself. He said, Palland, Palland, Pallayiratandu, Palakodi, Nuraira, Mallanda, Tintol, Manivanna, Unsevadi, Sevviya, Tirukapu. Which means he says, long live my Lord, long live for thousands and hundreds and crores of years, is what he said. So, may the Lord live forever. He was the one who sought for the welfare of the Lord himself, and hence he was called as Periyarvar. So, we learned something about Vishnu Chittar and why he was called Periyarvar. Now, let's get into the actual story. Okay? So, what did Vishnu Chittar do? Vishnu Chittar was a great devotee, was an ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu. So, in the Srivilliputur temple, Lord Vishnu has got the name Vadapatra Sai, which means Vadapatra means the leaf of banyan tree. Vadapatra Sai. Sai means to, lie down like this. Sanjinde padikkurathu. So, to this Lord, what he did was, he used to wake up early in the morning and he wanted to offer the purest of the flowers. So, even before the bees came in to collect honey from the flowers, what did he do? He went, plucked the flowers and made fresh garlands and offered it to the Lord. Okay? So, that was his devotion. So, one day, when Vishnu Chittar was making a flower garland to the Lord, he heard some noise, he heard some sound outside the garden. So, what was the sound?
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
He heard some sound. He rushed outside. He and his wife rushed outside to see what that strange sound was. என்ன ஆச்சு? He went, குழந்தை அழுதது. Yes, there was a baby crying. He saw there was a beautiful baby, a girl baby. And he just lifted that baby and he saw The baby had beautiful eyes, sharp nose, and lotus-like lips, just like you are, yeah?
Thank you.
So he just looked around and he just lifted the baby like Shivagami in Bahubali and he asked, "Whose baby is this? Whose baby is this?" But nobody responded. There were no takers. He just went searching, but he couldn't find anyone. So finally, he thought it was a gift from the Lord to him as they had no children. Vishnu Chittar and his wife had no children. So he thought it was a blessing. And you know what? It was a Tuesday and it was a month of Adi and it coincided with the star Puram. So every year in Adi Puram day, there's a huge celebrations all across Tamil Nadu and especially in Srivilliputtur in honor of Andal. So Vishnu Chittar was so happy that he found the baby. And you know what? Whenever, see if it's a musician, if they have a baby, they are more likely to name their baby in the name of an instrument, say like Veena or Sitara, okay? But it could also be the name of ragas. For example, Mohana, then what is the name of raga? Sahana or say Kalyani. It could be the name of some raga since they are musicians, they think that way. Vishnu Chittar was a garland maker. He offered his services to God by making garlands. So, you know what he named his child as? He named the baby as Kodai. Do you know the meaning of Kodai, Adya?
Garland.
Yes, Kodai means garland. So now this child, Kodai, grew up in the household of Vishnu Chittar. Okay? So as she grew up, she was so fond of Krishna that she always listened to the stories of Lord Krishna. Whenever Vishnu Chittar said some story, do you listen to stories, Adya?
Yes, like Hanuman stories, Krishna stories, Panchatantra stories.
Yes. Like how you listen to your bedtime stories. Andal, which is Kodai, she always loved to listen to Krishna's Leelas and miracles and all that. And she never got bored of it. The moment Vishnu Chittar finishes telling the story, she would say, "Repeat!" So she would want to hear more and more and more of Krishna's stories. And you know what? There were no social media those days to engage the kids. So Krishna's face was her Facebook. There was no Instagram. Instead, every gram of her was full of Krishna. And there was no Twitter bird. Instead, she used what is this?
Parrot.
Parrot was her Twitter bird, which means she used this as a messenger to convey her love to Lord Krishna. You know why she had a parrot? Those days they used pigeon, right? But why did she choose parrot? Do you know? I'll tell you. Because parrot has a capacity to repeat whatever we said. Say for example, if I say, "I love you, Krishna," the parrot would repeat whatever we said that way. Just like
Talking Tom.
Yes, just like Talking Tom. The bird would repeat whatever we said. So she used this as a messenger to send her love messages to Lord Krishna. And you know what? She loved Lord Krishna so much that she ate sweets only from Sri Krishna Sweets, Mysore. Then she wore dresses only from Tulsi Silks. Then she adorned herself only with Gokul sandal powder. Then she brushed only with Gopal tooth powder. So anything and everything associated with her was just Krishna. Then gradually as she grew up, she realized her love. She just fell in love with Lord Krishna and she wanted to marry Lord Krishna. As Kodai grew up, her love and intensity towards Lord Krishna also grew. Okay, so much so that even if she looked at the mirror, she saw the reflection of Krishna. You know what Vishnu Chittar used to do? He used to make garlands and he used to keep that in a basket and then take that basket to the temple and offer it to the Lord. It so happened that every day when Vishnu Chittar was away, she used to crawl to the basket, take the flowers, and she used to adorn the garland on her and look at the mirror. Do you want these flowers? Do you want to wear these flowers, Adya?
Yes.
And you know what she used to do? She used to wear the garland and she used to see Krishna looking at the mirror. She used to imagine how handsome, how loving Krishna would look with these flowers. And you know, she used to sing what? You know what? பூவை எடுத்து ஒரு மாலை தொடுத்து வச்சேனே என் கிருஷ்ணா கிருஷ்ணா உன் தோளுக்காகத்தான் இந்த மாலை ஏங்குது கல்யாணம் கச்சேரி எப்போது. So she used to sing asking, when are we going to get married? This garland is meant for you. The garland that I am wearing is meant for you. So when are we getting married? So she used to imagine, do a role play with Lord Krishna, and even before Vishnu Chittar came back, she used to remove the garlands and put it in the basket. It so happened on one day that, as always, Anda, that is, what is her name?
Kodai.
Yes, Kodai, she wore the flowers, she tested it and she looked at the mirror, she felt happy and put it in the basket. Vishnu Chittar, as always, was unaware of this fact. He took the basket and he went to the temple to offer this to the Lord. So, as he was just about to take the garland and put it on the Lord, he saw a long strand of hair on it. Yes, and he was so furious. Why did he get furious? Because Vishnu Chittar ensured that he gave the purest of the flowers to Lord Vishnu every day. He didn't even allow the bees to take nectar from it. It was just untouched. Only it was him who took the flowers and offered the purest of the flowers to the Lord. And he was so upset to see a strand of hair, and that too a long hair. And he guessed that it should be Andal's long hair. And he guessed that what she would have done with it. He really grew very furious about it and then came back home. And you know what he did? He went straight to the garden and then he plucked a new set of flowers and made a new garland. So this time he didn't even look at Andal. He took the new set of flowers, garland, and then when he was just about to offer to this Lord, say, if this is the garland that he made, you know what he did? He went and offered it to the Lord. But what happened? As soon as Vishnu Chittar offered it, it just fell down. As soon as Vishnu Chittar offered it, it fell down. God was not accepting that garland. Now Vishnu Chittar was very upset because he thought, what sin have we committed now? Because of that one strand of hair, now Lord Vishnu is no longer accepting my flowers. He was really very, very upset. That night, when he went to sleep, you know, as Vishnu Chittar was sleeping, he had a dream. Somebody woke him up. I am Vishnu. So Vishnu Chittar said, I am also Vishnu. He said, I am Lord Vishnu. Oh, Lord Vishnu. Yes, Lord Vishnu, you have come in my dreams. Tell me, Lord Vishnu. So what did Lord Vishnu say? He said that it's not because of the sin that you committed, I didn't accept the flowers. It's because I wanted only that particular garland which is owned by Andal, which is owned by Kodai. So then Vishnu Chittar realized the value of her love and how pure it was. She offered it with so much love, and the Lord too accepted that he was okay to wear the garland that she had worn. That much of love and attraction and blessings and purity they had. So that day onwards, Kodai was called as Sudi Tanda Sudakodi, which means the girl who wore the garland and offered it. And also It was only from that day that Kodai was called as Andal. Andal means one who ruled. Okay? So she ruled the heart of Lord Vishnu. So she was called as Andal from that day. Now, Lord Vishnu instructs Vishnu Chittar to bring Andal to Srirangam because Lord Vishnu wanted to marry Andal. Yes. So now Vishnu Chittar, as per Lord Vishnu's instructions, takes Andal to the Srirangam temple. You know what, Adya? There is one gum which we cannot stick with, and that is Srirangam. So now he goes to the temple along with Andal, that is with Kodai, and then once they go to the temple premises, there is a voice which is heard which is instructing Kodai to get into the temple shrine, that's a Garbhagraha. So Andal, she just gets inside and then she just merges with the Lord. Gone. Yeah, she's merged with the Lord. So Vishnu Chittar and his wife had always dreamt of Kodai's wedding. But suddenly she just disappeared and merged with the Lord. So that was quite unexpected. So he requested Lord Vishnu, "Oh Lord Vishnu, we've always had high expectations of a daughter's wedding. So do we get to witness it?" So Lord Vishnu also said, "Yes, you can witness our wedding." So it so happened that both the Lord and, that is Lord Rangamannan of Ranganatha temple, and Andal, both of them appeared and they got married in a grand way. And so what did Kodai do? She Male saatrinal Kodai male matrinal Maladainda madhilarangan male avathan marbile Male saatrinal Kodai male matrinal, and both of them got married. That's all, and now we have come to the end of our story. Did you like the story, Adya?
Yes, Amma, I loved it. Can I also dress up as Andal?
Wow, you want to dress up as Andal, is it?
Yes.
Yes, why not? You can get dressed up as Andal.
My name is Andal and I am the daughter of Periyalvar. Oh, look! My father has made a beautiful garland for Lord Krishna. Let me tie it on. Aren't I looking so beautiful? I'm the perfect pair for Lord Krishna. I'm in love with Lord Krishna. I want to marry Lord Krishna. Oh, Lord Krishna must be sleeping now. Let me go wake him up by singing Tirupavai. மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் நீராட போதுவீர் போதுமினோர் நேரிழையே சீர்மல்கும் ஆய்ப்பாடி செல்வச் சிறுமிகால் கூர்வேல் கொடுந்தொழிலன் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் ஏரார்ந்த கண்ணீர் யசோதை இளம் சிங்கம் கார்மேனி செங்கன் கதிர் மதியம் போல் முகத்தான் நாராயணனே நமக்கே பறை தருவான் பாரோர் புகர் பணிந்திலோர் எம்பாவாய்